Good morning all, and Donna here with another vlog. Today is a travel day down to Southampton as we are boarding Anthem of the Seas tomorrow morning, which is very, very exciting. I think the other half has dozed off watching something on his phone, but we'll be leaving very shortly to get onto the motorway and down to Southampton as soon as we can. The sun is shining, which is really good as well, so it's getting exciting. We only have 24 hours to go. Tried to make myself look quite presentable today, but as you can see, it's not working. I didn't wash my hair this morning, but I run a brush through it, but you wouldn't think so. It looks hanging. So I think when we get to Southampton, buy the things we need to buy, I'm going to have a nice shower and actually physically wash my hair, because I don't want to wash it too much. I've only just had it dyed at the hairdresser's, so I want the colour to last without starting to fade too quick. The sun's catching on it today, so it really brings the colour out. We have just checked out from the Travelodge and on our way to Southampton. That far now from Southampton, but we've had to take a few detours. There was like road traffic collisions or just to build up a traffic somewhere, breakdowns, you know, whatever it tends to end up being. So we made a stop for a quick trip to the toilet, and then we're going to carry on our journey in a different direction, which does add to the time, as I'm already sat here bored out of my mind waiting to get there. But unfortunately, to get there safely without being stuck in traffic is probably the safest, is like the best way to do it. Obviously we're not sailing until tomorrow, so it's not like we have to rush, you know, to get to Southampton, but Carl does like trying to avoid the traffic as best as possible. So we're not that far away. I think it's like an hour and a bit now, so we can get into the hotel and check in, and I really hope we get a room that overlooks sort of towards this, I think it's called the Solent. As you can see, cruise ships coming in. We saw that back on 2016, I think, when we went on Emerald Princess. We woke up really early in the morning. We were facing like the river as the ships were coming in, and the ship that we were going to board that morning was actually sailed past the hotel, so we got to see that. It was really cool. So hopefully we'll get that kind of room again. We have just got into our hotel room, all checked in. We were hoping to be facing the other way, but that's not the case this time. I'm kind of gutted, really. I wanted to see Anthem coming in first thing in the morning. But as you can see behind me is Celebrity Silhouette and this Norwegian Dawn. And then right back there, but you can't really see it because it's so far away, is Sky Princess. We need to pop into the town centre of Southampton because we need to pick up a couple of toiletries and that we didn't bring with us, like shampoo and stuff. I need a specific one for my hair and it really needs a wash tonight. and we are eating out in a really nice place that we've eaten in before, and Carl really wants to go to it. What's it called?
Red Dog Doghouse, I think it is.
Yeah, and it's like American food or something, really nice food. So I definitely recommend that people go and try that out. It's where is it? It was where the boat show was last year.
Mayflower Gardens.
Is that what it's called?
Oh, Mayflower Park, sorry.
Something like that anyway, innit? Yeah, really nice place as well. To quickly freshen up, brush my hair. It's really hot out there, so I might just change into a pair of shorts and walk around in a pair of shorts, because I've worn these cargo pants all day and I've been in the sun facing south all the way here and my legs are warm. So I've decided I'm going to get changed into something a little bit more summery and we're going to go hit the town. We just left the hotel and had a chance to see Sky Princess sail past us on her way out to the sea. We just got back to the hotel from eating at Red Dog Saloon, which has amazing American style food like brisket and ribs and sausages and all sorts. Absolutely heavenly, really full off it. We thought we'd go to the bar and get a nice drink, so I got us both a double shot Archers with lemonade. Up north you're looking at about probably 11 quid at the most for two of us. Down south it was £21.50 and it was £5 per shot, so I think my soul had nearly left my body. We're back in our room now. It is of course dark outside. What time are we on, Carl?
20 to 10.
20 to 10. Iona's left, so we didn't get to see her go. I think she went like 8 o'clock or something. I am putting everything on charge tonight, power packs. Have to put my laptop on charge because it'll be coming with me through security. So I have to make sure that if they want to see it or whatever, it can turn on. With everything else, make sure everything is on full power. And then we will hopefully be on Anthem tomorrow at 11:30, 12 o'clock, thereabouts. Depends on the queues. Hopefully everything will go swimmingly. And we will be at the bar or exploring the ship tomorrow morning. So until that time, we will see you in the morning. Good morning. It is just past 5 a.m. and two ships are coming into Southampton. Enchanted Princess and Anthem, and Britannia is parking up back there as well. So we're going to look out the window and see them coming through. Can't believe we're bloody boarding that today. Oh. That's a view you wake up to every morning. And you just see cruise ships outside your window. I'm all fully dressed and I've straightened my hair. It feels so much cleaner now. You can see the difference. Honestly, it was hanging. We'll be going down for breakfast in a minute when Carl decides to get ready. Finish packing everything back up. Ready to head to the docks. We can't board till 11:30. So not sure if we can be going to our cabin at that time. We might have to just sit on the deck and wait for a while. We'll just have to see how it goes. I don't know how it works. But there she is, docked, getting cleaned, reloaded with fresh supplies, and we will be leaving at 5 o'clock tonight, I think. So, very exciting times, very exciting times. I actually feel like I could go back to sleep again, like, because I've been up since 5 o'clock watching the ships coming in, and I've been awake ever since. It's now like 7:45. I really could curl up and go back to sleep for a little bit longer. We have repacked everything that we took out from the cases, and we are essentially ready to go down. So we don't board till 11:30, or we start from 11:30. There's not really much point staying in the hotel room for a couple of hours, so we might as well just vacate the room and head downstairs and chill out. We can put the suitcases back in the boot of the car, because there's not really much point like having them with us. We're just going to chill out in like the coffee bar area until it's time to head over to the ship itself. Rainy. Can I get through the rain? Nope, all I'm seeing is rain. Nice little quiet spot to talk for a moment. We can't access our cabin yet for another hour, so we're just kind of hanging around the ship, maybe get a drink while we're waiting. But we are on now, and it looks absolutely amazing, out of this world. We are just sat at Cafe Promenade now to have something to eat, as with our cabin not being ready. And honestly, this place is alive. It's breathtaking. You know, I've been on Independence of the Seas, completely different kind of ship and things to do on it, but this ship's like incredible. It could end up being my new favourite ship out of Independence. But Carl's gone to fill up our drink bottles, because we've got a deluxe drinks package, which means you get like a free Royal Caribbean cup, so that's cool. And we really have saved up a lot of money to do this, so you know, with COVID and everything, it does pay off in the end. So now I'm just going to enjoy a nice little sandwich and relax. So just to start, I'm not really a tour of the cabin kind of person, because you see so many of them on YouTube. So it's literally just a scan of the room and little bits just to see what we have, really. So there you are. We haven't unpacked yet, for the simple reason that if we do end up changing our room an hour before we sail, we'd have to pack everything again. So we're not going to bother with that just yet. Lots of wardrobe space. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's amazing, this room. I love it. TV, which probably doesn't swivel. No, it's static TV. Settee, which is also your sofa bed. Balcony, where he's hiding at the moment. And don't even ask what they are. They are like a gift from someone which I never expected. Normally we don't have those left in the cabin like that. That was a surprise in itself. Our desk space as well, and I believe I've seen in another vlog that these tables actually pull out. A nice big mirror. I love that mirror. I want to take that mirror home. And there's another view of the room from this angle. Quick look at the bathroom. There's the shower, obviously your toilet, sink, which looks very nice. Looks a lot more modern than Independence. We're saying that though, Independence is a much older ship. But there you have it, really nice room. We are now leaving Southampton. So I'm going to end this video here as we have much to explore in the week and there's a lot to do, but we're going to get ready and go down for something to eat as I'm getting a little bit hungry. So tune in for my next video as we go to Norway. Until that time, I'll see you guys soon.